In this video, I'll walk you through step by step and show you how to change the battery in your Audi S5 key fob. This is really easy to do yourself at home. All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver and a replacement battery, which is a CR2032. If you're not sure where to get these, go check out that first link down in the description. That link will take you right over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. To open this thing up, first flip it over to the back. Down here on the bottom, under this metal part, you can see there's an opening in the plastic. So take your flathead screwdriver, insert it in under that lip in the plastic, and just pry, and the back will come right off. Now we need to get this battery out, so we need to put something into that opening right there. And this is a little bit, this screwdriver is not going to fit, so I'm going to use this precision screwdriver just to show you how you get under the battery and pry it up, and it comes right out. Now, at home, you could probably use a paper clip or something similar, just anything that can get under or on the side of the battery and help you to pry it out. If you don't have something that's the right size, I will recommend what I am using, which just comes from this little set of precision screwdrivers that are really good. So that will be in the link, a link for that will be in the description as well to get on Amazon. So make sure you take your battery out and dispose of it properly. When you're putting in your new battery, make sure the positive side is facing up. So you want to see that plus sign facing up, and you'll just simply click it into there. And all we need to do now is put the back on there and squeeze down. And if you want to make sure you did everything correctly, just make sure that light is turning on when you press your button. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come on back to this channel. We'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.